Hi folks, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. Today, a vendor sent me another free product, and this is a paid review. Let's get straight to it. This is a men's wallet, and we all know what's coming right around the corner. I know Mother's Day is just in a couple of weeks, but right after Mother's Day comes Father's Day. And you know what? This might be a good present for Mother's Day too. I know my wife Susie carries a wallet, a men's wallet. Most of the time, she doesn't really like carrying purses anymore, and she carries a men's wallet. So it may be a Mother's Day present too, so let's not kid ourselves. This is a very nice wallet. So first off, let's just look at the gift packaging. It's really nice, very nice, sleek packaging. I mean, if I got this, I would think I'm getting something very nice. Open it up. First thing off, you got, of course, your instructions. And you have an adjustment tool, and that's an adjustment just in case your card slot doesn't work. And then inside you have your wallet, and it is wrapped. It says, "Thank you for supporting my small business," which is kind of cool. So it's a small business. I love supporting small businesses. And this is a Buxley, by the way. I haven't named it. It is a Buxley wallet. It was on the box though, Buxley. So then we take this off, and this is a pretty nice, fancy looking wallet, I think. Don't you think? So I'm going to pause here, and what you have here is, here's the outside of the wallet, and you can put cards in the outside here, and slide them up, push them up, slide them in, put them in here, slide up, cards here on the other side, and then this is a magnetic. It opens up. You have a place to put a card here, a card here, on the other side of this, and there's you can put several cards in here if you wanted. So you have a place for 1, 2 cards here, but really you could probably put 4 here easily. An ID, a work license, a driver's license, some sort of picture ID here. Another card here that you can slide here. Just like that. Then, and there will money clip here on the outside, where you can easily stash some bills. That can be used at a moment's notice, like so. Very nice. And then you have your card slot here, where you just put cards in. Put them in there, and then you just push the button, and they come out. And they come out fanned. How cool is that? So it does have 2 little slots on either side here that you could either put like a string on either side if you wanted to carry it close to your body underneath your shirt. If you were traveling, you could put that on a chain like that and carry it underneath your shirt, which I kind of like because I have been worried when I've been traveling before. Or you could attach your keys to that side like that and put it in your front pocket. It is any cards that are inside this aluminum box are RFID protected. So you can carry about 12 different cards in here. So this is a very nice wallet, the Buxley. Go out and get somebody you care for the Buxley for Mother's Day or Father's Day, or just because you love them.